Welcome to the virtual tour of the lush and vibrant rainforests of Puerto Rico. As your tour guide, I'll take you on a journey through the Yunque National Forest, the only tropical rainforest in the United States National Forest System. Strap in, and let's explore the natural wonders of this incredible place. El Portal Visitor Center. Our adventure begins at the El Portal Visitor Center, where you can learn about the rainforest's history, ecology, and conservation efforts. Take a moment to immerse yourself in the interactive exhibits and educational displays. La Coca Waterfall. Our first stop will be the breathtaking La Coca Waterfall. The short hike to this natural wonder is a great way to experience the forest's diversity, with lush vegetation and the sound of flowing water all around you. Tropical flora and fauna. As we continue our journey, keep an eye out for the diverse flora and fauna of El Yunque. You might spot colorful parrots, tree frogs, and unique plant species like the Puerto Rican national tree, the tabonuco. Big Tree Trail. Our next destination is the Big Tree Trail, where you'll encounter colossal trees with massive buttress roots, a true testament to the rainforest's vitality. Angelito Trail. For a more challenging hike, venture onto the Angelito Trail, which leads to an observation tower. From there, you can marvel at the rainforest's panoramic views, including the Caribbean Sea. Baño Grande and La Mina Falls. Take a refreshing swim at Baño Grande and explore the nearby La Mina Falls. The cool, clear water and the lush surroundings create a perfect natural oasis. Forest sounds. As we walk through the forest, listen to the symphony of sounds created by singing birds, goki frogs, and the gentle rustling of leaves. It's a true auditory delight. El Yunque Peak. If you're up for an adventurous challenge, embark on the hike to El Yunque Peak, the highest point in the rainforest. At the summit, you'll be rewarded with sweeping views of the entire forest and the coastline. Coqui frogs. No visit to El Yunque is complete without experiencing the melodic calls of the tiny coqui frogs. They are an essential part of the rainforest's nighttime soundtrack. Conservation efforts. Learn about the conservation and restoration efforts in place to protect this vital ecosystem. Discover how scientists and researchers are working to ensure the survival of this unique rainforest. This virtual tour has only scratched the surface of the wonders that await in the El Yunque rainforest of Puerto Rico. Whether you're exploring its trails, swimming in its natural pools, or simply absorbing its beauty, this rainforest offers an unforgettable experience. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey, and I hope you can visit in person one day to fully immerse yourself in the magic of El Yunque.